Hi, I'm Zara, and I'm here to tell you about ChatterPal's groundbreaking artificial intelligence powered smart analytics. It's most definitely one of the coolest features in the app. This is our state of the art onboard analytics engine that's self learning. It enables you to track all of your chat campaigns and configurations, then gives you real time feedback as to what's working and what isn't. This allows you to leverage your winning chat campaigns while improving your non performing ones. The Smart Analytics engine will also test your chat flow with different variations to try to improve their effectiveness, optimize results, and more, all automatically. Even better, our Smart Analytics will help you optimize your chat flows based on how your visitors respond. This gives you tons of flexibility so your visitors can be easily guided through your site until they become either a qualified lead or sale. Pretty cool, huh? The Smart AI engine handles the entire process. There's no need for staff or human virtual agents to be involved at any time. During the chat sessions, you can show various options or choices to your visitors with images, buttons, videos, or even links to other content. You can then ask visitors to give yes or no responses, as well as collect personal specific data such as time, age, location, occupation, whatever values you want. You can also utilize the process to collect your visitors' email addresses so you can add them to your list with no opt-in pages or pop-ups needed. Keep in mind that this amazing technology is totally new to the market and available for the first time only with ChatterPal. You won't find it anywhere else at any price. Ready to see what ChatterPal's awesome AI-powered system can do for you? Just click the button to get instant access, and we'll have you leveraging this powerful technology so you can start getting more leads and sales in minutes. Thanks for watching.